Hi, kindergarten and math students. So we are ready to learn how to write number 8 and learn the fun song for number 8. So your whiteboard and your marker would be a good place to start writing. Actually, we might just do it in the air. Make an S and close the gate. Got it on here. Let's do better. Make an S. See, there's S. And close the gate. So we're starting here, curling up, make an S, like James' last name is Sam, and close the gate. Dot. Make an S and close the gate. We're making numeral 8. Let's do it just with our finger on the board. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate. We just made numeral 8. I really like 8s. And then you could go outside and you could pretend this is the dirt, and you could write an 8 right in the dirt. Make an S and close the gate. That could feel good. I like the feel of the whiteboard. If you have shaving cream, if someone in your family uses it, you can put it right on, it'll show better. I'll just put it right on here. You can put it right on your table, and it actually cleans your table really good. But if your mom doesn't want you to, you could put it on paper, on a paper plate, anything. Smooth it out just a little. You want to have enough to write in, so you don't want it spreaded way out, then you can't even write in it. Don't worry. Gloopy hands, it's fun. You don't need to go wash them, it's fun. And again, look at how cool that is. An 8 and close the gate. Ooh, it works really good on black, doesn't it? This one little part. Yep. And then if you're going to erase in shaving cream, you could also use pudding. If you have pudding, you could put pudding on a plate and do this. You could do it with paint. If you put a glob of paint down, you could do this. So you might want to just do this after the video. See how I'm erasing it, putting the shaving cream back where I had made the 8, and then I can do it again. Ooh, I love the feel of shaving cream. I kind of like the smell. I wonder if you do. So start up at the top. Where do we start our numbers? At the top. I gotta start singing higher. Make an S and close the gate. And if you get a lot, you might want to wipe it off, and you could go over that same 8. Make an S and close the gate. If you have too much, wipe it off. Make an S and close the gate. We just made numeral 8. Beautiful. Then, after you practice your 8 in the dirt, or on shaving cream, or with pudding or paint, you of course put it aside, and then you get to practice your 8 in your math book. We are way on page 43. And now I have all of this goopity goop. So I'm going to grab over here a Kleenex. That would work. Anything would work to clean it off. And then you know how to practice writing your numbers. Do you have any idea why those dots are there? To help you learn how to write numbers. And I really think it's best if you use your pencil to write these numbers. I don't use a pencil, I know that, because I don't want to, I want to be able to use this book over and over and over again. So, and you can see it better if I use this marker too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we've practiced those for a long time, but don't get sloppy about it. Still take your time to do a good job. Oh, 5, you know, is one of my favorites. Make sure you start where you need to start, huh? 6, where do we start? Down here? No, that's not the top. Is this the top? Is this the top? Yes. 7 is tricky. This is kind of the top, but we know that we go across the sky first and then down from heaven. It makes it easier to write if you start right here, then you don't have to pick up your pencil. 8, remember we started about here? My paper's moving around. And then we made our S and we close the gate. 8, gate, they rhyme. And then after you do a good job of practicing here, you can count and write over here. And look at, there's no dots because they think you've practiced enough in the dirt and the shaving cream and the pudding and the paint and on this paper that you can do it without dotted lines. Let's see if you can. You can mark and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make your best S and close the gate. And of course, take pictures for me, please. You'll probably have to add a page. I think you've all figured out how to do that now. It really helps. I can see your work very good when you do that. So that's all about number 8 today.